And I got $100,000 business line of credit I'm going to bring you guys today. Now, a lot of people talking about this, so I'm going to bring it to you first. Shout out to the boy Credit Plug for always dropping them gems. So let's get into it. Plastiq. Yes, Plastiq. You know, I covered this company previously in the past. Go ahead and check that video out right there. And basically what Plastiq is a platform that allows you to use your credit cards to pay for invoices, to pay off things in your business. You use your credit card, they take a certain amount off that credit card that you choose. They send you a check, a paper check, to either yourself or to the vendor that you're paying off. So how that intertwines with this line of credit is based off of the revenue that you're generating through your business. Plastiq will offer you a line of credit that will kind of match what your revenue is bringing in, and then you can pay it off with a credit card, or you can pay it off with your fees that you get, you know, for paying off invoices and things of that nature. So, of course, as always, we're going to hop into the website, break everything down, show you how you can get a no hard credit pull, no SSN needed, no PG line of credit. All you need is strong revenue. All right. So I'm going to give you the data points. You need 15,000 a month. That's right, 15,000 a month to qualify for this. So if you're a brand new business, this is not for you. If you're not doing a lot of revenue right now, go ahead, get your money up. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a little hack, a little sauce, how to kind of get around that revenue stream and still get qualified for this line of credit. All right, so let's go. All right, so we are inside Plastiq's website. Plastiq Pay, tap into a credit card, short-term finance to control your business. So once you sign up or log into your Plastiq account, you're going to go to the left-hand side and you'll see short-term financing. You're going to click that to apply for the short-term financing, which is this line of credit with the market under. So you can see Plastiq website. They work with, you know, companies and brands that need extra financing, extra help. You know, instead of going into their personal bank account, they can use their business credit cards to fund and use capital. And this Plastiq Pay goes a little bit further and gives you a line of credit on top of, you know, your credit cards, which you already have. So once you get started, get instant access to working capital. Like I said, you will need 15,000 a month to qualify, but there's no hard credit check, no hard pull. It's revenue based. If they say you're making 15,000 a month, they're very certain that you will be able to repay your loan, and they're going to take the money directly from your bank account regardless. So they're going to get their money back. Now, you're going to extend your time to pay off your business expenses up to 90 days. So you got 90 days. So like most credit cards, they're going to give you 30 days. This one was a net 30 to actually pay back. And I'm not sure if it's payback in full, whatever you draw on. So you know how lines of credit work. You don't take the full amount. So just say you got approved for this 100,000. You can withdraw 5, 10,000 and pay that back in full. Now, if you have a hard time paying that back, then you might not, you know, want to pull that full amount. And, you know, the 100K is the standard amount you will get qualified for. But if you do send in some tax returns and some extra information, you can get up to 750K. So if you got the tax returns, you got the receipts, you got the paperwork to confirm that you're, you know, bringing in, probably have to bring in at least $1 million a year to get that line of credit, then they're going to give it to you. Competitive rates, transparent fees, no collateral. So you don't have to put up your house. You don't have to personal guarantee it, anything of that nature. Repayment flexibility, paying one lump sum or installments. So you can pay it back in full at one time or kind of pay over time. You know, I would kind of go ahead and pay it off because you see the interest rates, even though they are competitive, 2.5 to 10%, which is a lot better than a lot of credit cards. You know, you don't want to incur any interest. And then the credit approval is underwritten by Slope. I don't have a lot of information or data points around Slope. Need to do some more digging. But they are, kind of underwriting, pretty much like a bank, like web bank, that does a lot of products over online, a lot of online banks like PayPal. But Slope could be something different. I'm not 100% sure. So quick, easy financing. I'm not going to make this video long. I gave you the data points. Like I said, it's no hard credit check. So you don't need to know what credit, bureau they pull from. Now Plastiq. Now that is a good question if they do report to business credit on this. When I've used Plastiq to pay the lease at my office space. And like I said, when I pay off things or use Plastiq, they don't report anything to my business credit, but I'm not really getting any financing from them. So I don't know if that's the case. If you do have Plastiq Pay, if you use them, comment down below with your experience. If you know they do report to any business credits after making successful payments to this. All right. But like I said, Plastiq is a great way to liquidate credit cards. If you have, those 0% interest credit cards, you will incur a small fee. They do, put a fee on top of it for using their service. I think I used it for like a $2,000 payment, and they took $40 off. They sent the check in the mail. Check took about 10 to 14 days to arrive to me. And then I handed the check over to my landlord, or you can have the check directly mailed to the person, but I would have it sent to me and then I hand it off. So you make sure that, they got it and it's there. Now, since you stuck around to the end of the video, free game, give you a little sauce. What you can do if you are a new business, if you are now two ways. If you have a, regular 9 to 5, you're making a lot of money, making 6 figures. That's close to around 10K a month. Then you can use your personal bank account, attach your personal bank account to the Plaid system where they kind of read the bank ratings or, read the amount of money coming in and out your bank a month. You can attach your personal bank account and get qualified that way. Or if you're not working or you're not making that much on your regular 9 to 5 and you have good personal credit, you can get a personal loan. You can get a personal loan for up to $50,000. I'll use SoFi. There's a couple of other ones out there. Get that personal loan for $50,000. Deposit $15,000 into your business bank account every month. Let it sit there and then deposit another one, 15. Let it sit there and deposit another one. At that time, you will have the 3 months they require for 15K. And then you will more than likely have a better chance of getting approved. You don't even have to spend the 50K. Once you get approved, fund your business bank account, get approved, and you can pay that personal loan back at one lump sum. Only occurred maybe 2 months of interest, 2 months of payment, and it works out. That's free game. That's how I beat a lot of fintechs when I'm starting new businesses. Plastiq, Lendio, Bluevine, Fundbox, all these fintech where they read the money coming into your bank account, Divvy card, anything that reads the money coming to your bank account to determine a credit limit. You can use this hack of getting a personal loan and kind of start funneling money through your business bank account. And then pay the personal loan off in full. Don't let that personal loan linger because they have very, very high interest rates and you won't be able to pay that off. But once you make smart decisions, it's not financial advice. This is something I do. So, you can use it to your advantage if you like. All right. Until next time, man. Your boy Credit K. Follow me on social media, Instagram and TikTok, and join my free Facebook group where I talk about business grants and business credit. Link down in the description as well. All right. Until next time. Get to the money and we out the 9 to 5 rat race.